friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Avneet and here I am back with my new video which is concept of big and small. As we all know what is big and what is small. If I show you two objects, you can easily tell which one is big. This one is big and this one is small, right? But if I replace this object with another object, now this object is looking big and this is small. The object which was looking small earlier, now it is looking big and this one is small. So whenever we compare two objects according to their sizes, only then we can get to know which one is big and which one is small. This is our today's video which I am going to teach the children. So all the people out there, you must watch my video till end and also show my video to your child. I'm sure you guys are going to love it. So let's not waste time and move towards the video. Enjoy. Hello children, how are you today? I hope you all are fine. Children, today we have a new friend with us. Come and let's meet him. Hello friends, my name is Jerry. I'm your new friend. Jerry, today we are going to play a game. Wow, I would also like to play a game. Really, Jerry? Okay, first of all tell me which is your favorite toy? Yes, I love to play with cars. Really, Jerry? So Jerry, I have placed two cars in front of you. So which car would you like to play with? I would like to play with this yellow car. Why, Jerry? Why with this yellow car? Not with this red car? क्योंकि येलो कार बड़ी है और मुझे बड़ी कार के साथ खेलना बहुत पसंद है. Okay, so you want to say that you want to play with this big car and this red car is small car. Jerry, जो चीज बड़ी होती है उसको हम बोलते हैं big और जो चीज छोटी होती है उसको हम बोलते हैं small. So now can you show big and small with your hands? Yellow car is big car, right? And this red car is small car. Okay, Jerry? Yes. Jerry, खेलने के बाद आप क्या करते हो? खेलने के बाद मैं स्टडी करता हूँ. Very good, Jerry. And where do you keep your pencils? I keep my pencils in pencil stand. Good, Jerry. तो आप कौन से पेंसिल स्टैंड में रखते हो? मैं अपनी पेंसिल्स छोटे वाले पेंसिल स्टैंड में रखता हूँ क्योंकि अभी मैं छोटा हूँ ना. ओके जेरी, सो यू मीन यू कीप योर पेंसिल इन दिस स्मॉल पेंसिल बॉक्स, राइट? जो चीज छोटी होती है उसको हम बोलते हैं स्मॉल, राइट जेरी? दिस पेंसिल स्टैंड इज स्मॉल एंड दिस पेंसिल स्टैंड इज बिग. ओके जेरी? यस. जेरी, खेलने के बाद और पढ़ने के बाद जब आप थक जाते हो फिर आप क्या पीते हो? मैं जूस पीता हूँ. वाओ जेरी, दैट्स वेरी गुड. तो जेरी, आप कौन से ग्लास में जूस पीते हो? मैं ये बड़े वाले ग्लास में जूस पीता हूँ क्योंकि बड़े ग्लास में जूस पी के मैं और स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाऊंगा. गुड जेरी, सो यू मीन यू ड्रिंक जूस इन दिस बिग ग्लास. ओके जेरी, एंड दिस ग्लास इज स्मॉल ग्लास. Okay, Jerry? Yes. Jerry, now I have placed a box in front of you. Can you tell me whether this box is big or small? Yes, this is big. No, 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 no. This is small. No, 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 no. I don't know. Okay, Jerry. Now I am placing one more box. Now can you identify big or small box? Yes, this box is big. And this box is small. तो जेरी, आपको कैसे पता चला कि this box is big and this is small? पहले तो आपको नहीं पता चला था. तो जब तक हम two objects को compare नहीं करेंगे, we cannot identify big or small object. Right, Jerry? Yes. Now, Jerry, I have placed a cup in front of you. Can you tell me whether this cup is big or small? No. I cannot tell. Okay, Jerry. Now I have placed one more cup. Now can you identify big or small cup? Yes, this cup is big and this cup is small. Very good, Jerry. Now you have understood the concept of big and small, right? We cannot say whether an object is big or small until or unless we don't compare the two objects. Right, Jerry? Yes. Great. So now, children, we will do an activity. As you can see, this is a jungle scene. Here are two animals. Can you name the animals? Yes, this is an elephant and this is a rabbit. Children, can you tell me which animal is big? Elephant or rabbit? Yes, elephant is a big animal and rabbit is a small animal. And here you can see different fruits on different trees. So now we will put big fruit in elephant's pocket and small fruit in rabbit's pocket. Right? So let's start the activity. So children, can you name this fruit? Yes, this is apple. Can you tell me which apple is big? Yes, this apple is big and this apple is small. So now we will put big apple in elephant's pocket and small apple in rabbit's pocket. Yes. So now let's move to next fruit. Can you name this fruit? Yes, this is a mango. Can you identify big and small mango? Yes, this is a big mango and this is a small mango. Now we will put big mango in elephant's pocket because elephant is big, and small mango in rabbit's pocket because rabbit is small. Right, children? So children, are you enjoying the activity? Yes, I am also enjoying it. So can you name the next fruit? Yes, this is an orange. Now can you tell me which orange is big and which is small? Yes, this orange is big and this is small. So now again we will put big orange in elephant's pocket and small orange in rabbit's pocket. Great! So now move to the next fruit. So now children, can you name this fruit? Yes, this is grapes. Can you identify big or small grapes? Yes, this is big grapes and this is small grapes. So now we will put big grapes in elephant's pocket and small grapes in rabbit's pocket. So children, did you enjoy the activity? Great! Can you tell me what did we do in the activity? Yes, we put big fruits in elephant's pocket because elephant is a big animal, and small fruits in rabbit's pocket because rabbit is a small animal. Great, children! So you have to revise this concept of big and small at home. See you in the next video. Bye. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. You can also do the same activity and you can also involve the children in your activity for better learning. So if you like my video, please do share it, and if you want me to make more videos on any specific topic, you can give your suggestions in the comment box. I'll definitely get back to you with that particular topic. So please subscribe my channel. Those who have not subscribed it, please do it right away and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.